Welcome to Star Aspect Designs. This week we are looking at a 5-bedroom townhouse. It is a modern design with a sloping roof and a parapet wall. This is the front of the house. It is situated in a large compound where, as you can see to the side, there is a pool, there is a bonfire sitting at the front. The house is characterized by water features. There is one that is at the entrance, which is what you can see at that corner, and then the pool at the side. Now this is the side of the house. The material palette is rendered plaster, grey stone, and wood composite. So this is the south side of the house that leads to the DSQ, which is far down there. And also to the back here you have the kitchen yard that faces that DSQ that I was talking about, with a doggy sink and a dog wash area or a laundry area right there. And then as you move around, you can see that's the grey stone feature, zero jointed grey stone you see at that particular stack. This is the backyard of the house, so you have your clothing lines there. It's the utility area basically, where you have your kitchen yard, your laundry area, and then the clothing lines. And then at the back here at the side is where I was talking about the pool area. And you have a terrace there with a dining area and also a barbecue area with some cooking counters, wash basins, and grills. So back there is a pool house, which offers first a gym and then a toilet and a bathroom. So this is the pool area that is to the side of the house, and you can access it through the dining area or the lounge. And this is the bonfire pit. So we go back to the front, and at the front here, that door is what leads into the lounge, and the wooden door is the main entry door. So the main entry door will lead into a foyer that then acts as the distribution point to various areas of the house. So the front is characterized by, of course, the entrance, the office, the lounge, and then the master bedroom at the top, and one of the other bedrooms. It's always key to ensure that your front has the major spaces that you would like to emphasize, either your verticality, horizontality, whichever design feature you decide to go with. We'll look at the ground floor first. So this is the front area of the house. That's the ground floor. So once you enter And this is the water feature that I was talking about at the front. So once you enter, this is the entry lobby where you can go up the staircase or go into the house, get into the lounge, go to the dining area. This is the office right here. That's the guest bedroom with the access right there. And then at the staircase, this is the straight staircase, not a U-shape, straight staircase with a feature underneath there, and then some storage maybe for bottles and things like that. And then this is where you enter now into the lounge section. So that's the lounge area. It's quite expansive because, as you can see, it fits quite a number of seats. And then this is the door here that then leads to the porch outside, and the porch is a wraparound, so it goes around like that and also goes into this dining area. And this is the door where you get out into the porch also. So if we look at the plan in totality first, that is what you have. You enter, you have your lounge, your office, your guest bedroom there, and then this is your cloakroom and your dining area right there. And then this door leads into the kitchen, and the kitchen is quite big. That's what you have. And then you have a breakfast nook right there. So that is what the breakfast nook looks like, because sometimes you also don't want to eat in the formal dining area. This is a place where you can have family dinners. You can have your quick breakfast as you're on the go. And then that is the full kitchen. Then off the kitchen to this side here is the pantry, and then this area here is the laundry area, and then that door leads to the kitchenette. So this door leads to the back of the house, and that is the plan for the ground floor. So let's move on to the first floor. So that is your first floor area. As you can see, that is the main entrance there. And then that is how you get up into the first floor. So that's the straight staircase. And then once you land, then this is your family room right there. So that's the family room. And then as you move to this area here, it is the master bedroom. And that arrangement is good because then the master bedroom has its own privacy. It is not adjacent to any of the other bedrooms. And then of course at this higher level also is a wraparound balcony. And the main thing about this balcony is that it faces the front and also faces the side where there is a pool. And one thing I should mention is that at this back there's a pool, then there's the dining area and the sitting area, and of course you have the counter, you have the countertops and the grills. Then to the side there you have the pool house, which has the toilet and bathroom and also a gym. And then here is the bonfire pit where you can project on that wall there, so you can have your movies or anything you want to project there really. So on this first floor, the main reason that wraparound balcony is on that side is because of these entertainment areas on the side. And this wraparound balcony also translates to the porch on ground floor. So it's a very vertical feature for this house. So the wraparound balcony is accessed by the master at this door here. Then it's capped right there, and it's also accessed now from the family room from this door right here, and it's also capped at that wall. So this is a master bedroom, and then you have your walk-in closet, and then the bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom there, you have the his and hers basin, you have your shower, you have bathtub, and then that's the toilet right there. And then off to this other side, you have the other 3 bedrooms, which is this bedroom here, that bedroom, and that final bedroom there. So these 2 bedrooms are ensuite with the bathrooms in between here. And then this bedroom has its own balcony back here. So if we look at the plan in totality for the first floor, that is what you have. So for the roof level, that is the profile it takes. It's sloping on 3 sides with a parapet wall that wraps around the building, and that parapet wall is actually what gives that modern structure. And then at the middle here you have a roof slab that will then give an opportunity for solar water heating systems, water tanks, and any other utilities that you require, even solar lighting and things like that. And then to the side here is the DSQ that I had mentioned, and this is the utility area. So you have your washing area, your clothing line, and then this boundary here, and then leads you to the entertainment yard. This here is the parking area. So it's a car park for 3 cars. Let's just see how that looks. So that's a 3-car carport. And the beauty about this particular area is that you can park many more cars at this area here. That is the design we have for this week. Please let me know in the comments section down below what you think about the design. Tell me what you like about the design, what you would improve on the design, what would you do away with, because as I always say, let's continue to learn from each other. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, live large.